Digital photography and filmmaking really centers around the concepts and business that go into both digital photography and filmmaking. So for instance, if you're interested in going into, say, marketing or advertising or just the actual field of photography, we have space in our room where we can learn how cameras work in the stills environment. When it comes to filmmaking, we actually have a lot of cameras centered towards videography.
I have learned how to properly use a camera, not on the auto setting. I've also learned how to adjust everything in Photoshop or Lightroom. I've learned how to properly film a video, how to set up mics to the camera, how to edit everything. It's pretty great how much I've learned just through this class.
Students will learn how to use Adobe Premiere, Adobe Lightroom, and Adobe Photoshop are the ones we center in the most. We also offer DaVinci Resolve. So those are some pretty industry standard based software for both photography and cinematography, as well as the actual skills of utilizing the cameras and lights themselves.
So this program prepares me after high school for a lot of different things. I learned in this class how to write a resume, how to properly format an email as well, along with other things that I would like to do in my life, such as photography and editing, which you also get free access to all the Adobe software in this program, which is awesome.
We have a classroom full of lights, we have a classroom full of cameras, we have 15 stills cameras, 6 video cameras, we have boom mics, shotgun mics, lavalier mics, all the different things you need to make a short film, to make a documentary, to make a music video. We have all those resources in the classroom. Some of the fun things that we get to do in this class is we do our own version of like a 48-hour film fest where we actually just spend the class period for the entirety of a week. So the students have a week to make a short film. We do countless photography projects where the students are actually sign out the cameras to do photo challenges for every Friday. So they're always turning in a new challenge to see what else they could do and figure out from on their own for themselves. And I also think things that we get to do that are just very independent. If someone is really interested in film and they want to spend more time, well then they'll be provided that time. Where someone else may be interested in photography or for photo editing and they'll be provided that time.
Yeah, my advice for incoming students for this program is you really do need to pay attention. You can't just sit there. If you really take the time and listen to everything our teacher has to say, he's very knowledgeable. He knows what he's doing, and this is such an interesting and fun program to learn with. The people in this class are amazing. You will have a good time if you pay attention and also have fun with it.